Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Patrick Partners, along with Bob Iacino, Bitcoin. So mentioned yesterday, it was more likely to drift sideways, let the moving averages catch up, and then move up to the next higher areas we're watching, which is exactly what it did. Just the probabilities played out that way. So we had the next key level at 1600, which we stopped there. And then we had the next cluster area about 10,737 to 10,750, and spiking up, then pausing there right now. We are losing some momentum. We have a slight divergence forming here, so we could get the bigger pullback. Just be prepared for that. Key level of support now we're watching in the area of right around that 1500, about 10,450 to 10,500 is the first area of key support. Then we'd be watching about that 10,300 little shelf right here, 10,330. And if we fell through there, 10,150 would be the next layer down. Now we got the pausing bar. We now have a cluster up about 10,950, and then 11,130 are the next key levels higher for Bitcoin. Let's check in that daily chart. Daily chart. So you see how those levels fall up there. What else? Really don't ignore this 10,950. That's also near this prior major swing high. So there's going to be some key resistance right there. So that's a really good area to move up stops or take some partial profits. Above that, we've got 11,130 cluster, which is right near this little shelf low. And then the next level, 11,521, right near this prior resistance high. So those are all your key levels you'll be watching for. Now getting to overbought condition on the daily. That doesn't mean that rally has to stop. It's just something to notice, especially with the divergence forming on the 4 hour. Let's switch over to Ethereum. Ethereum also just drifting sideways, dipping into the rotation zone slightly, then spiking up. We had the 183 to 183.60 area. Just would that come in at? 182.93, just missing our cluster area. Also, you can see this is forming a divergence, higher high in price action, lower high in the RSI. And this is actually running out of momentum pretty quick. First key level support we'll be watching is about 178. And then if it fell through there, about 175.50. I'm just going to leave these levels on since we haven't hit either cluster area or this 185.79 level. So those levels are still staying the same. Checking on the daily chart for Ethereum. Again, keep in mind that this 185.79 or 186 area is right at the upper end of the rotation zone. We did close in the rotation zone yesterday, so that's going to be the key area to watch for critical resistance. So we have for you for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.